Okay, hi. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to talk about the Toyota manufacturing case, and let's go to demonstrate on the first one. Okay, yeah. As Fogg, what would you do to address the seat problem? What would you focus all your attention and solution efforts? So first of all, the seats problem was mainly happened in the major supplier of the KFS. um, According to the case, the large amount of the problem reported are related with the material defects and the missing parts. According to the data, there are like 113 of the 138 problem are related with those two issues. Therefore, those two are the um, main cause that leads to the cyst defects. I can say that. Um, I think that docs should actually attend KFS and regulate the whole production um, process and with the standard TPC process and principle and apply the 5 Y methods to the KFS um, for the manufacturing process and also the QC process to address this problem. And what Doc should do is to put his attention on how to eliminate those problems and figuring out why those issues happens and to learn how to prevent them in the future. Another thing Doc should be aware is that he should actually check um, the manufacturing process is it following the TPC production stopping process. What I mean is that um, when the assemble teams when they actually working there, does they follow the methods when they find out the problem. uh, they should report to the maybe the QC teams immediately to see whether this problem can be fixed as soon as possible. Um, if they cannot do that, then maybe we should try to put the car to the overflow and maybe order a new sys um, for the process to go on. And in that way, I think dog can make the flow work more easier. And also, what dog should be aware is that he should improve the communication between the Toyota company and the KFS. So um, once again, he can make the workflow more smooth, and that can help him to better handle this problem in a lot of ways. And then the second part of the question, I would say that I would enter is that what is the real problem dog uh, is facing? The real problem, in my opinion, the real problem that dog is facing is that um, the KFS is not exactly following the TPS system. Um, some people might think that those seed defects are the real problem, but however, the seed effects is not that massive if the Toyota company start to handle the manufacturing on their own. But the current situation is that they are actually separate, and that part of the job is handled to the KFS. Um, so, for Doc to effectively and efficiently to solve this problem, he must see the core issue, which is the TPS system. Um, Another thing Doc is facing is that his kind of lack of the direct power and or direct impact on the production quality control of the seats. He needs to look into the way he can check the quantity before the seats are moving out of the factory, and in order to match the TPS principle better. In conclusion, we can find a lot of problem from this C defect, but more importantly, this C defect issue reflects that um, the TPS principle is not fully applied with the current situation, and that might lead to a lot of problems in the future. And I think dogs should pay a lot more attention on that. Thanks a lot. Thank you.